areas of the plane figures. In this chapter, we have to discuss how to find out the surface areas and volumes of the solid figures like cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, etc. Now we begin with surface area of a cuboid. Let us consider the outer surface of the cuboid. The outer surface of the cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. Now whose areas can be determined. Now areas of the each 6 faces and adding the all areas of the 6 faces will give the surface area of a cuboid. Formula for the surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Where L, B and H are the length, breadth and height of the cuboid respectively. The unit of the area is taken as the square unit. And let us see that example. Find the surface area of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 15 cm, 10 cm and 20 cm respectively. Now solution for the given problem is L had given, B had given and H had given. L equal to 15 cm, B equal to 10 cm and H equal to 20 cm. We know that surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Now substitute the values of L, B, H in the given formula, that equal to 2 into 15 into 10 plus 10 into 20 plus 20 into 50. On simplify, 2 into 15 into 10 is 150 plus 10 into 20 is 200 plus 20 into 50 is 300 centimeter square. That equal to 2 into, add up these, the values will get the 650. That 2 into 650 gives 1300 centimeter square. Now this is the surface area of the cuboid. Now surface area of a cube. A cuboid whose length, breadth and height are all equal is called a cube. Look at here children. This is a cube. All length, breadth and height are equal. If each edge of the cube is A, then surface area of a cube equal to 6A square. It has 6 faces, where A is the edge of the cube. The next topic is lateral surface area of a cuboid. Suppose out of the 6 faces of a cuboid, we only find the area of the 4 faces, leaving the bottom and top faces. In such case, the area of these 4 faces is called the lateral surface area of the cuboid. Look at here, this is the cuboid. Now I have to take only the 4 faces of the cuboid, leaving bottom and top faces. So lateral surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 into L plus B into H. Similarly, in case of cube also, the lateral surface area of a cube equal to 4 into A square. It has 4 sides. Consider the only 4 faces. Note down, the surface area of a cuboid or a cube is sometimes also referred to as the total surface area. Children, let us solve some examples. Example 1. A cubical box has each at 10 cm and another cuboidal box is 12 cm long, 10 cm wide and 8 cm high. Find the lateral surface area of cube and cuboid. Solution. For cube, A had given, the side of the cube had given that A equal to 10 cm. Lateral surface area of a cube equal to 4 into A square. Substitute the value of A, that equal to 4 into 10 square, that equal to 4 into 10 into 10 is 100. 4 into 100 is 400 centimeter square. This is the lateral surface area of a cube. Next, go to that. For cuboid, L, B, H had given L equal to 12 centimeter, B equal to 10 centimeter, H equal to 8 centimeter. Lateral surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 into L plus B into H. Substitute the values of L, B, H. It gives 2 into 12 plus 10 into 10. Simplify 12 and 10, that gives 22. 2 into 22 into 8. 2 into 22 is 44 into 8 is 352 centimeter square. Therefore, the lateral surface area of a cuboid is 352 centimeter square. Example 2. Find the surface area of a cube whose each edge is 8 centimeter. Solution: A had given, the edge of the cube had given, that is A equal to 8 centimeter. We know that surface area of a cube is 6 a square. Substitute the value of A, it gives 6 into 8 whole square. 8 into 8 is 64. 6 into 64 is 384 centimeter square. This is the surface area of a cube. We are moving to the next topic is surface area of a right circular cylinder. What do you mean the right circular cylinder? Now, height of the cylinder and radius of the cylinder perpendicular to each other, or the angle between the height of a cylinder and radius of the cylinder is right angle equal to 90 degree. This we call as right circular cylinder. Now I will show that one activity, how to find out the curved surface area of a cylinder. This is a rectangular sheet. This length be the breadth and this is the length of the rectangular sheet. Now I fold the two edges. What it becomes, children? What the shape of this? Right, this is a cylinder. Now the breadth of a rectangular sheet becomes a height of the cylinder. This is the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder becomes the breadth of the sheet, and length equal to circumference of the circular base. Now area of the rectangular sheet equal to the area of the curved surface area of the cylinder. So the curved surface area of a cylinder equal to area of rectangular sheet, that is equal to L into B. We know that area of a rectangle is L into B. Here L becomes the circumference of a base of the cylinder. So circumference of a circular base into B becomes H of a cylinder, that into H. Circumference of a circular base is 2 pi r into H, that equal to 2 pi r H. Now this is the curved surface of the cylinder. We have to form that surface. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r H. The next, total surface area of a cylinder. If the top and bottom of the cylinder are also be covered, then we get two circular bottom and top. So total surface area of a cylinder equal to curved surface area of a cylinder plus 2 into area of a circular ends. Look at here, children. These bottom and top are covered with the circular region. So we have to find out the area of the circles, two circles, and curved surface area should be add up. We will get the total surface area of a cylinder. That equal to CSA of a cylinder. We know that is 2 pi r H plus 2 into area of a circular ends is pi r square. 2 pi r square. 2 pi r is the common factor. 2 pi r into H plus r. This is the total surface area of a cylinder. Children, we are going through some more examples related to curved surface area and total surface area of a right circular cylinder. Example 1. Find the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeters and radius 7 centimeters. First, I have to write the formula. Curved surface area of a cylinder equal to 2 pi r H. R had given and H had given. Substitute the values in the formulas. Equal to 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into 7 into 14. 7 get cancelled. Multiply 2 into 22 is 44 into 14. Multiply will get 616 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of a cylinder. Example 2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? Now, what I had given right, the h had given that is in meter converted into centimeter. The diameter of the circular base had given diameter equal to 140 centimeter, should convert into radius, therefore r equal to 140 by 2 equal to 70 centimeter. Therefore, the total surface area of a cylinder. Why we have to find out the total surface area? This is the cube. Now, closed cylindrical tank. Bottom and top also, look at here, the bottom and top also closed. This we called as, that is the closed cylindrical vessel or any solid. Now, total surface area of a cylinder equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. That equal to, substitute the values, 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is 70 into 100 plus 70. That 7 ones are 7 tens are get cancelled. 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into 10 is 440 into 100 plus 70 is 170. Multiply will get 74,800 centimeter square. Should convert into meter square, it becomes 7.48 meter square. Therefore, the total surface area of the cylinder is 7.48 meter square. Children,